Hi friends, let me show you this new bottle opener or helper that I received, that I bought for my home. You get two actual pieces, one like this to open regular cans or soda bottles, okay? And this opener helper that you can use with different sizes of bottles or cans, like these ones, okay? You put them here, as you can see, and you help yourself to open the jars or bottles or cans, okay? You can even help yourself to close them again. You get different sizes of cans, okay? Even these small ones, okay? As you can see, there's no hard task for this jar opener. With this one, you can help yourself to open these kind of bottles, any kind of soda bottle like this, okay? So there's no hard task for this bottle and jar opener, okay? You also have this side of this accessory, so you can open any kind of cans with these closing lids. So you just put it in like this, okay? And you will be able to open it really, really easy without hurting your nails or your fingers, okay? So, well, this is a multifunction open helper. This one for jars, this one for bottles and all kind of lids, okay? So I think you must have something like this in your kitchen, in your office kitchen, your home kitchen, to help you open basically all kind of jars, cans, and bottles. Thank you.